Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to create new page for Object Go. Now we are in the Object Go. Under the Object Manager, let's go to Page Layout. Click New Layout. Firstly, let's drag a component from the left arrow. Drag panel to the empty arrow. Then we are able to add other components inside this panel. And we could customize the panel name. Here we are going to name it Go Information. Secondly, we need to upload the logo of our company. Drag image component from left, and then click it. Click the upload arrow on the right. Choose the picture. Then we are able to change the height to 75 pixels and change the align to horizontal alignment. Thirdly, we need to add some fields in this page. Click Field. Drag Title, Status, Progress, Start Date, and Due Date, and Note to this panel. Now let's reorder these fields. Lastly, to make this panel more beautiful, we are able to change the background color of this panel. Click any arrow inside this panel. Choose Outer Container. And then we are able to see the configuration on the right. Click the background color. We are going to choose any color. Let's have the light blue color. And this is what it looks like after the change. And don't forget the built-in buttons on the new page. Click the whole panel. And then click the Configure page on the right. For the Save button, we will choose the second method, go to List page. Then click Save on the upper right corner. That's all about this lesson. In next lesson, we are going to add data to this object. See you next lesson.